Manipur ge Governor Ajay kumar Bhalla ahanba oina Sainik school da visit tawbaga loinana drinking water ATM booth ama sangaba orchid pambe sing thaba yauna Sainik school Imphal ge annual magazine phongkre. Sainik school Imphal na sinduna pangthokpa thoram aduda First Lady Jyoti Grover Bhalla, GOC RED SIL Division Major General SS Kartikeya, Sainik School Imphal ge Principal Colonel A Rajib, Vice Principal Colonel SK Singh amadi masak naiba miyoi kayana thoram mapu sing oikhi. Thoramga mari lainana Governor Ajay kumar Bhalla na ngasi Sainik School da lakliba asi mahaki oinadi ahanbani school asigi mahiroi singi discipline asi ubada chawthokpa amadi nungaiba fawi. India da lairiba Sainik School sing magi oiba unique oiba amamam leijarabasu India gi tungi laibakti makhoina lepkadawribani. India gi lakadaba chahi khara asida chamasuba India gi independence celebration asida su nakhoina India gi damak leptuna saruk yagadabani haiki tungda Sainik School Imphal gi mahairoi sing amadi governor ga interaction program amasu pangthokhi.
You are the future of the country. We have done our bit for the country, people who are sitting this side of the senior people. But if we look at the era ahead, the golden period ahead, the country, when it achieves 100 years of independence in 2047, you people will be holding important positions in the country. So we expect, which is the spirit of Sainik schools. I mean, though he by mistake said Sainik school, now I feel all Sainik schools should be like Sainik school India, because they are in different places, but their culture, the way they groom people, the way the students come out of the Sainik school, it's a unique kind of thing across the country. So you are the future of our country. You are, in few years' time, you would be holding important positions in all spheres of life, not necessarily inside the government, but everywhere. The discipline you learn here, the grooming you get here, is the one which is going to stand with you